Technically, you can stream however and whenever you want, since it's your choice, but there are some factors that you need to keep in mind when getting into VTubing. If you don't know already, becoming a streamer, let alone a VTuber, is a lot of work and can cost a lot of money over the course of time, depending on what you do. Even if you plan to take it up as a hobby, it is very time-consuming and a high-maintenance hobby. If you already have a lot on your plate, it might not be something you want to get into. Even if you're doing it for fun, you're streaming to entertain, and if you don't have any energy left after completing your usual responsibilities, it will show. If you live with others who are very loud or do not respect privacy and might pop in on your streams, it may be best to wait until you move to your own place or with people who respect the private space needed to host a stream. While many VTubers stream with the weirdest setups, if you have a comfortable and happy space, you're more likely to feel good when you stream. For example, having a comfy chair or some fun decorations to make the space inviting and nice to stay in. I personally wanted to start VTubing back when FaceRig came out in 2013, but due to my living situation, I wasn't able to do it until nearly 10 years later. It would have been fun to start earlier, but I do not believe that I could pull off a single stream without interruptions getting in the way or canceling the stream. I did not want to provide such low-quality streams where I was constantly worried about my environment, so I waited years to start, and I'm glad I did so. So if you're not in the right place to start, give yourself time. There will always be people ready to find you once you debut, whether it be now or a decade from now. I hope this helped. See you next time. Bye bye!